Hello everyone, this is tutorial for user authentication system. Previously I have made one more tutorial where I have teach you how to use passport.js for user authentication, but in this video we are not going to use passport.js. Instead we are going to use JWT for our user authentication system. In case you missed this video, this is the video sign up, sign in, login system by using NodeJS and passport.js local authentication. And here let's take a look what we are going to make today. Click on registration. Here we can register our user. Actually this is little bit different than passport.js. By using JWT we are going to send a token to the browser cookie. From browser cookie we are going to get back this token for login the system. Once you are logged to the system, then the token will be valid from certain period of time. Once the token is invalid after certain period, then we are going to automatically delete our JWT token and we are going to log out. Okay, let's take a look. Click on register. You see I have used express validator to validation of this error. The name must be more than three character long and email must be valid. Password must be 6 character long. That means all of the validation is working. Let's register. Full name Ronaldo 1234. Let's make the password incorrect. That means the first password don't match with this correct confirm password. Let's make it. Register. It will say password didn't match. Actually that is the validation. Once again try to register our user. We are not going to use any vanilla CSS. All of them we are going to do by using Bootstrap, so it will save some time. Okay, you can see on the nav bar there is two different buttons, that is dashboard and sign out. There is no option for login and register. If we try to go to login page, let's go, it will automatically redirect to the dashboard. Let's try to go to register and you see on the dashboard it's showing welcome Cristiano Ronaldo. This is the name of our user we have registered earlier, and there is a button log out. Once we log out we can see the another two button, register and login. Now we can register and log in from here. Let's log in. Try to log in without any input. It will say the same error. Ronaldo@test.com. Let's make the password wrong this time. Actually let's make the email wrong for the first time, and password let's make it also wrong. Login, it will search for email. That means the email could not found and it is showing incorrect email. Let's make the right email. Ronaldo@test.com, but the password let's make it wrong. Let's see what it say. Incorrect password. That means email was right but password was wrong. Ronaldo@test.com. Ronaldo1234. Let's make the correct password and now we are logged in. For this tutorial I expect you to have some knowledge on Node.js and MongoDB database. Here is some of my videos on Node.js and MongoDB database. You can see CRUD operation, uploading images, sending emails and many more. In future I am going to upload more and more videos on Node.js. You just need to support me. And this is the library we are going to use, JWT. You can see the encoded JWT. This is the decoded. Okay, I'm going to explain everything to you once we started with our tutorial. This is the cookie parser. By using this we are going to send our cookie to the server, so it will save to the local storage of our browser, not server. Okay, The bootstrap, this is for styling our home page or register or login page. NodeJS, you must need to install NodeJS on your system, install current or LTS, that doesn't matter. Okay, MongoDB, from MongoDB just hover over this software, click on community server and download community server MongoDB. And for this tutorial I am going to use handlebar view engine. We are not going to use EJS, as I always write my code inside Visual Studio Code. That's my favorite code editor. Next we are going to use Linux operating system. You can use any operating system you like. For this tutorial I am going to use Linux. You can use Windows or Mac OS, that doesn't matter. Actually operating system doesn't matter, you just need to install Node.js or MongoDB, whichever operating system you are using, install them on it and you are ready to go. And you can follow the same step I am doing in this tutorial. Okay, I have made a GitHub repository. From here you can download my source code. Just click on code, download zip, unzip it and use it. Okay, enough talking. Now go to Google or DuckDuckGo. I am using DuckDuckGo. Search for expressjs. Here, from here you can see expressjs framework, all of the documentation you can read from here. But now we are going to install our express generator app. Okay, let's do it. It's very simple, just need to copy this command. Okay, now here I'm going to create a new folder with name of NodeJS JWT auth. Okay, open Visual Studio Code VSC. I'm going to open NodeJS JWT, this folder inside Visual Studio Code. Okay, file, add folder to workspace, documents. Here we made a folder with name of NodeJS JWT auth. Here open terminal, click on terminal, new terminal. Now we are inside the folder. You can see document NodeJS JWT. Okay, this is the first way to install our app by using Express Generator. You have another way to create an app using Express Generator, that is installing Express Generator globally and use this express command. We are not going to install globally. We are going to use this method, npx express generator. Okay, copy and paste it in your terminal. Ctrl Shift V or Ctrl V for Windows user. View engine will be ASBS. Press enter, it will create all of the files for you. And if you don't understand what does it means, I highly recommend you to watch my Node.js CRUD operation where you can learn all of them. Okay, let's make it modern JavaScript. Ctrl F and replace var with const. Replace all. Save it. Go to routes, index route, replace all. Save it in your user.js, replace all and save it. Okay, once you have saved all of them, now what you can do, npm install. It will install all of your dependency from dependencies inside package.json. There is no node modules folder. Once you have installed all of your dependency, you can see this node modules folder is here. Inside node modules you have those dependency which you install it. Okay, once you do that, now go to terminal and run the command npm start. It will start your server on localhost 3000, localhost colon 3123. You see, this is our Express server is running. Express, this is the basic view.